Video we are going to talk about tokens. Tokens are similar to cells in body. Like cells make the body, the whole body, right? Same as tokens make the programming languages. Now let's look at the tokens available. There are 6 types of tokens. The first one is keywords, identifier, constant, strings, operators, and punctuators. These are the 6 types of tokens. Now here we are going to see each of them individually. Now let's go ahead and see what is keyword is. Keywords are the reserved word or predefined words whose meaning is already known to the compiler. Each keyword performs a particular task. For example, there are integer, float, void, etc. Right? Integer is the full number, float is the decimal numbers, something like that. Now let's look at the next one. The next one is identifier. In C language, identifiers are the name given to the variables. Constant, functions, and user defined data. It's like name to call something. For example, we know that there are, here we have keywords, integer, but we give the name for this keyword, that's the identifier. We give A, B, something like that. Now let's look at the next one. Next one is constants. Constants are those quantities whose values are fixed and cannot be changed. For example, we set integer A to a number 5. Okay, something like that. Now let's look at the next one. Next one is strings. Strings is in C programming language is actually a one-dimensional array of character which is terminated by a null character. It's basically group of letters. So here we have hello and that is a string. Okay, here we have bunch of letters. The whole thing is a string. Now let's look at the next one. It's operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical operation. Here we have addition, subtraction, and etc. Okay. The next thing is punctuators. Punctuators separate two statements, like semicolon describes the end of the statement. They are also known as delimiter or separators. Examples, we have these things. And these are the things about tokens. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you want to watch more videos on C programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch those videos too. See you next time.